How's it going today, everybody? Trucks and Water here. In today's vlog, we start out in the garage because the time has come to rip Ashley's face completely off and replace it with a new face. That's right, guys. Got the bumper back from thnak. Looks so freaking good. Look at that. I mean, that looks so daggum good. It's not even funny. Oh, I can't wait to put this on the truck. It's gonna look so good. But anyways, try the deep process of ripping the bumper off, ripping everything off, getting ready to put everything on, because rod run is less than a week. It's basically a week away when I'm filming this video right now. It's a week away. Rod run will be happening, so it's crunch time, guys. It's definitely crunch time. I just got the bolts out from the bull bar, so now the bull bar, after about 3 years of being on the truck, holding up a light bar and all that stuff, is about to come off. Survived a wreck, helped me survive a wreck. I mean, this thing's been through a lot, guys, so it does have some little bit of sentimental value to me, but it's time. That bracket's up. And there she is. Well, you can see where, especially on the bull bar, I'll show you this more clearly. That one's bent because of the wreck, and that's what took the impact of the trailer when that trailer pulled out in front of me, and all that stuff. I mean, it's just folded this inward. This whole thing was crunched inward. I know this dent was already on the truck, but this one, or one of these, but yeah, that could have been bad, and that and this absorbed it, so I'm very lucky. Very, 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 very extremely lucky. So now it's time to take apart the grill, start popping off this stuff. Well, guys, we got a rough mock-up of what the new bumper and grill is going to look like, and holy mother of God, like, literally, this is how the truck should have came from the factory. Like, it makes the truck look 10 times freaking meaner than like before. Like, the stance looks meaner, everything on this truck looks so much meaner because of the way it looks. But y'all will notice, this is the old bumper I take out. It took one freaking hell of a hit when I hit that trailer in South Carolina when I went to Rudy's. The whole middle part about this bumper is bent inward. The whole thing's like bowed out and crushed in. It's really weird. But it took a massive hit, but it's becoming reality. Like, this is literally becoming what I've envisioned this truck to look like for almost 4 years now. It's starting to come full circle pretty much. Like, this is pretty badass, I won't lie. Like, it's, holy crap, this is getting real. Alright, guys, I don't know when I started this vlog today, but we just got done with 75% of the front end swap. So we got the bumper done, the light bar's in, everything's waiting to go. We're just waiting on the grill to get done with the shop it's at and get it back and put on. So it might be crunch time with Ron. So if y'all want to see a sneak peek of it, here you go in 3, 2, 1. Yep, sorry guys, you're gonna have to wait till Rod Run to see this. So I'm revealing the facelift at Rod Run. Of course, a video will be posting that night of the facelift if some of you can't go to Rod Run. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Of course, the truck will be there. I cannot freaking wait, guys. This thing looks so sick, even with the stock chrome grill still on it. It looks so much better. Like, cleans up the whole front end. So when I get the new grill on it, it's gonna look 20 times better. So stay tuned for that. These things are the bomb.com. I love these new drinks. And this one's a sour apple, and I love it. It's really funny, like, this is my first time driving the truck with a new bumper on it, and people's reactions are damn priceless. Like, they stare and look, some point, wave at me because they know me, and whatnot. And I'm not here to brag, I'm not trying to be like that, but it's really, really cool when you do a mod, and people approve of it, and people want to look at it and stuff. It makes you feel good, I won't lie. And the fact that you can share that with someone, excuse me, to give them that insight and on how to do it, which I'm not going to tell many people, if I'm going to be honest with you all, I'm not going to tell many people how I did this mod, because I don't want a lot of people copying me. And yeah, that sounds really crappy, but we all know those trucks that once one thing gets in style, everybody copies them. And yeah, people have done the light bar in the grill before, but not in the sense of what I've done. I've seen very, 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 very few. I don't think I've ever seen anything line next. So I want to be unique and different, which, I mean, that's what everyone should strive for. I mean, yeah, sometimes just look good, period, if you just want a daily driver or something like that, but it's really cool seeing people's reactions. Like, really freaking cool. We almost ran over that little squirrel right there. Stupid thing. Didn't want to ruin my new bumper. So we're heading into Mexico. I got Babe there with me, or here with me. I can't speak to save my damn life today. Looking fabulous as ever, and we're about to head into Mexico to test out the new front bumper, which you all will not see until Rod Run. I'm gonna miss this place when it goes. It's filming me right now.
Dude, that one tire is gone. Let me tell you. Hey, put weight on the back. Oh, dude. Hold on, let me stick a rock underneath there.
That ain't good.
Don't do more than what that's doing. Yeah. Oh! Oh my God! Nothing. Sorry. All right, we'll see you, Josh.
Kids, this is why you don't off-road your truck, you just off-road your four-wheeler, because then... And you use four-wheel drive, not a 90cc Arctic Cat kid special.
Kid special.
Yeah, it's a kid special.
That one is a kid special.
Are you freaking kidding me? So, right now, if you saw from the last vlog, this road looks kind of familiar. That's right, I'm heading back to Lines to pick up the last part of the front end build. So, 2 days away from Rod Run, it finally comes full circle and everything falls into place. And this is just my luck, almost the last minute. But hey, keep fighting. If you don't give up, good things will happen. So it's been 4 to 5 months in the making of this front end, due to the engine blowing up and a bunch of other stuff, personal stuff I had to take care of. It really sucked, I won't lie. But like I said before, guys, at the end of every video, never give up on your dreams. And like TJ Hunt says, keep moving forward. So let's go to Lives and pick up the last part. All right, guys, so I got the box with the grill in it, sitting right here. Huge shout out to Linex of Knoxville. They did a last minute thing for me, and I can't thank them all enough for that. So make sure, of course, if you need a bed liner, go to them. But any body spray, anything like that, anything they do truck accessories, hit them up, guys. They're great people, awesome customer service, awesome sales guys. I mean, just all around awesome experience. So hit them up. So we're gonna rush this home and get this daggum thing on the truck. Badass 6.7 power stroke coming by. I love that ruby red in those Fords. Well, guys, the grill is on. Everything's buttoned up. It is ready. But I'm not going to reveal it till later, probably the next shot in this video. It looks so damn good. Special thank you to my dad, Hunter, Colin, Hunter's girlfriend, my girlfriend, everybody that was involved with this bumper. Thank you all, because it's been a long, long process. It should have taken this long, but I had some things, like I said before, go on in my life that I need to take care of, and the accident and everything. But it was well worth it, let me tell you. So, without further ado, let's reveal the basically the new front of Ashley. Alright guys, the unveiling of the Chevy K1500 is That's right, guys. A lot of you kind of guessed some parts of it and stuff like that, but this is the final setup of the Chevy K1500 Silverado. What we got in the front is a smooth front bumper, Linex black, with a new grille Linex black with a gloss black bow tie. In the middle of it, we've got 30-inch X5 series light bar from Rough Country, about 16,200 lumens, flood and spot combo, with a brand new air dam and my tow hooks back on it. Guys, I'm telling you, videos do not do this thing justice. This thing is freaking sweet. I got to reuse my turn signal lenses, headlight lenses, corner markers, whole 9 yards, and this just makes the truck look 10 times better. Oh my God, this thing is sexy. So that is the unveiling of the new bumper and all that other stuff. I know you all been waiting on it a very, very long time, and I thank y'all so much for your patience, but just damn. All right, so this is what it looks like with just the marker lights on. As you can see, it looks so stupid good. With the headlights on, this is what it looks like. It looks really, really good like this too. God bless, this front end just looks so stinking good on this truck. This is what it looks like with the light bar on. Like I said again, looks stupid good. Golly, this truck came together. Looks so menacing.